You can't improve your fluency and build up your confidence if you are not practicing speaking. You have to practice speaking as much as you can. Make English a regular part of your life. The more you live in English, the more comfortable speaking English becomes, and the more confident you become. And the most effective way of learning a foreign language is by speaking that language. It's the teacher's responsibility to instill confidence into his or her students. And it's our duty, it's our responsibility to make our students get used to speaking so that they may feel more comfortable about speaking. That is the key to know a new language is to practice it, right? When you practice something, it becomes a part of your identity. Just make up your mind. It is your time to learn a new language, right? Don't wait for somebody to tell you, go and study. It should come within you, right? You are most welcome to Spong Center. Spong Center is for everybody. There is a saying which says, you don't know what you can do until you try, or you never try until you know what you can do. Thank you so much, and may God bless you.